Hello everyone. In this short video, I will teach you how to actually create a Java project by a single Gradle command. So using these tools saves us time and can really be adapted to create all types of projects as well as a multi-project. To start, I'm using Windows environment as an operating system, basically using CMD command line to create a new project. In this exercise, I will actually create a Java library project as part of a multi-project, and this will be the initial step to create more projects under the same multi-project. For those who are not familiar with the Gradle and the terminology of multi-project, in order to write code in Java, I need to sit in a project which is then compiled into a jar. The concept of Gradle means that you may view your software as a software product consisting of several software components, where each component is represented by a separate Gradle structure. A basic multi-project build contains a root project and a single sub-project. For our benefit, Gradle gave us the possibility to build a basic project in one command. So today we will see how to use it and what is created. To get started, let's check the current Gradle version and then run the Gradle version command. Next, we'll create a directory where the multi-project will be. To create the multi-project, we will navigate inside the directory and run the Gradle init command. Once Gradle starts, it opens a form. We'll select to create a library project with Java as the main language. Next, we'll be asked for the build script language. Select Kotlin. And for the unit testing framework, select Jupyter, which is the JUnit version 5. Now you can enter the name of the first sub-project or use the default, which is the name of the directory. The project package name, select the Java version that you want to use, and if you want to use the Gradle new API.